London!
Here we are, London, our wonderful capital city.
What's that big building?
That, Peppa, is Buckingham Palace. It's where the Queen lives.
The Queen? I want to meet the Queen.
Well, she might be quite busy, being the Queen. But I suppose we could always ring the doorbell and see.
Good idea, Mummy Pig. Where's the doorbell? There it is. Shall we give it a ring?
Go over to the doorbell to see if the Queen is at home.
Hello. Is that my pizza delivery? Just slide it through the gate and the corgis will pick it up.
The Queen thinks the Pig family are there to deliver a pizza.
No. We're the Pig family. Mr. and Mrs. Pig, Peppa Pig and George.
A pig family? How wonderful. Well, you simply must come inside and say hello.
We'd like that very much.
Let's go! Hello, Queen. I'm Peppa Pig. This is Mummy and Daddy, and this is George.
Hello, everyone. What a pleasure it is to meet you. You are all most welcome here in my humble palace.
Oh, the pleasure is all ours, Your Royal Highness.
You have a wonderful home.
Thank you, Mr. Pig. It's a wonderful home in a wonderful city. Here, why don't I show you around?
Yes, yes!
Marvellous. Well, when you're ready, we'll go outside and go on a grand tour of London. Hip, hip, tally-ho. This way to the tour of London. We'll go on my bus.
That bus has an upstairs and a downstairs.
All aboard. Why don't you go upstairs so you can get the best views?
Yes, Mum.
Are we all ready up there?
Yes!
Then let's go. First stop on our tour of London, Big Ben. Hurrah! Here we are. We have arrived at Big Ben.
I can't see anyone called Ben.
Big Ben is up there.
Yes, Big Ben is a big tower.
Actually, it's not. Big Ben is the name of the bell that lives inside the tower.
Oh, yes, that's what I meant.
Big Ben is ringing. Let's answer him by ringing our own bell.
Each time Big Ben rings, the Queen can ring back. Well done. You did a very good job ringing the bell.
Where are we off to next, Your Majesty?
We're going to Tower Bridge.